children, welcome back to Computer Online Classes. Today I am going to solve worksheet number 3 on the topic Healthy Practices and Scratch Basics. Let us understand learning outcome. We are learning to know and adopt healthy practices while using computer, smartphone, tablet or desktop, and we are learning to know about basics of Scratch programming. Children, be ready with worksheet number 3, pencil and eraser. Let us recall asanas while using computer. To keep ourselves healthy, we should do some exercises and asanas regularly for half an hour. Children, let's recall some of the asanas and their names. Kyahoni Naman for shoulder exercise, Mustika Bandhan for hands exercise, Griva Sanchalana for neck exercise, Akarana Dhanurasana for shoulders exercise, Hasta Uttanasana for hands exercise. These exercises help us for the shoulders, hands and neck. Exercise for eyes. To minimize eye strain, we have to perform these exercises: palming, blinking, bounce the ball, be a cat, pencil exercise. These exercises help us to improve our eyesight. Children, hope you understood this. Let us move to Scratch application window. Here we have Scratch application window and we will identify part of this window. Here we have stage, white area is called stage. Here it is a sprite, picture is called sprite. Here we have script area. Here we have blocks palette. Here we have menus. Let us recall Scratch program basic terms. The stage is the area where you see your stories, games and animations. Script area is the place where you write the script for the sprite. In Scratch, each picture is called a sprite. Looks block changes the looks of a sprite. Pen block makes the sprite draw as it moves or changes color. Children, hope you recalled Scratch programming terms. Yes, let us move to activity number 1. Activity 1. Match the exercise image to the correct name. Here we have 5 images with their correct names. You have to join the respective name to the image. Can you guess, children, first one? Yes, it is palming. We have to draw an arrow like this. Similarly, you can do it for other exercise names. We have again 5 set of exercises with their names. We have to match with their respective name. Can you guess first one, children? Yes, it is pencil exercise. We have to draw an arrow. Similarly, you can do it for remaining questions. We will move to activity number 2. Label the parts of Scratch window. Here we have 5 boxes, each box pointed towards an area. You have to identify and write name of the part inside the box. One, I will do it for your reference. Yes, here, what is this? Menus. Similarly, you can complete the remaining parts of a Scratch window and write it correctly in the boxes. Children, hope you understood this activity. We will move to activity number 3. Circle the correct option. In Scratch, any character on the stage is called dash. Options: sprite, script, command. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, it is sprite. Remaining questions I will grade it for your reference. Under which block do you find the instruction to the costume of a sprite? Motion, looks, sound. To see trail of the sprite, we use dash command. Pen up, Pen down. Next costume. To make the sprite wait for a few seconds, you can use wait 1 second. Where can you find this instruction? Event block, control block, motion block. Move 10 steps command can be found under the dash block. Looks, sound, motion. Children, you understood this activity also? Let's move to activity number 4. Fill in the blanks with correct answer. Options: motion, pen, control, stage, looks. 1. Dash block changes the looks of a sprite or the background. Can you guess, children, correct answer? Yes, looks is the correct answer. Remaining questions I will read it. 2. Dash block has instruction to help, control, give condition in the program. Dash block has instruction to make the sprite move. Dash is where you see your stories, games and animations. Dash block has instruction to make a trial of the sprite. Hope you understood this activity also. Let's move to activity number 5. State whether true or false. A. A computer understands the language that we speak. Children, the statement is true or false? Yes, it is false. Computer do not understand the language that we speak. Remaining questions I'll read it. Blocks palette is the place where you create a script for the sprite. A script consists of at least 2 blocks to do specific task. You can turn the sprite only in clockwise direction. Hope you understood this activity also, children. Yes, it is time to end the session now. Home play. Complete activity 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and keep practicing Yogasana. Thank you, children. Bye.